Wednesday, October the 19th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Near record warmth today. Still pretty warm tomorrow, and then big changes thereafter. We'll talk about all that here as the video rolls along. A couple of webcams across the state. Avalon Pier web camera from the Outer Banks on the left. The Beach Mountain Parkway cam, courtesy of ResortCams.com on the right. To top Beach Mountain, temperature 59. It is 68 there at Kill Devil Hills. It's a live look at the Queen City as I cut the video. So this was live during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. Looking good there for the Dowd YMCA camera. Charlotte's temperature at 61, and it was 50s and 60s for most of the region this morning. Radar quiet across the Carolinas this morning, but you do have some broken areas of showers from Maine down through Pennsylvania and Ohio into the Missouri Valley region. This is all with our next cold front. Snow flying in parts of Colorado and the higher elevations west of Denver. Up into Nebraska, some rain falling rather as well. And that's all with a cold front that will get here Friday. Again, just a reminder for you, of course, obviously the huge flooding problems continuing for the coastal parts, the Carolinas, the coastal plain. So Time Warner Cable News has partnered with the American Red Cross and Harris Teeter to form the Hurricane Matthew Help Fund. Let's all do what we can to help out all those that are in so much need in the eastern parts of the Carolinas. And to find out all the details about the Hurricane Matthew Help Fund, to go to twcnews.com. Today, really warm weather set up across the region. Today, the warmest day of the week, and for most of us, this will be the warmest day for the rest of the year. Here are the record high temperatures as they stand today at this point. And then here's what we're going with for highs across the region today. So you notice some of these high temperatures will challenge those records this afternoon. Tomorrow will still be a very warm weather setup just ahead of this incoming front. I expect highs tomorrow to remain well into the 80s. And then as we get on into Friday, that's when that front moves in. So there'll be a quick hitting shower chance Friday, followed by much chillier air blowing on in. For instance, here's the deal Saturday. A lot of sunshine all weekend long. Chilliest morning, probably Saturday night into Sunday morning as that high pressure builds overhead. So here's what we're going with for highs Saturday afternoon. And some of these may actually be generous depending on how this air mass behaves, and then still going with lows close to 40 in the I-85 corridor with the colder spots in the 30s on Sunday morning. All right, tropics, and I'll get back to the local weather in just a second. No active systems out there. Still watching this area of disturbed weather north of the Caribbean. It is still not terribly organized. In fact, where you have some type of low-level center trying to form is actually west of all the deep convection. But we still could see some slow development of this over the next couple of days. This is the European model showing you this trying to organize, and notice the wind fields picking up a little bit as we get into tomorrow and Friday. This will stay offshore from the east coast of the U.S. and merge with our incoming cold front. So even if it does become a classified system, should not be a very big deal. A couple of the model charts on that system. This is the Canadian, splitting the difference between Bermuda and the east coast. Same deal with the NavGem model and the UK Met model as well. All right, here's what's happening aloft. Warm setup temporarily in place off the European model, but there you go. Big trough diving into the eastern part of the country Friday. And that's going to deliver much chillier air. Here's the GFS computer model, high and dry today, and notice showers may be creeping into the mountains rather late tomorrow. But our best chance of showers with this front east of the mountains will be Friday, and it'll be a very quick hitting shower chance during the day Friday. Much chillier air than plunges in here. This is Saturday afternoon. A big high pressure working in, and then just sliding near the Georgia and South Carolina coast by Sunday. So over the weekend, you get some chilly temperatures. This is Saturday morning's raw low temperatures off the GFS. And then there's Sunday morning's low temperatures. Could even be some frosts in maybe some of the Piedmont spots, especially Sunday morning. Now next week, watch this. This is Monday, but then Monday looks like a great day. Highs in the 70s. And then here we go on Tuesday. Another area of high pressure off to the north, nosing down, and that will bring in some reinforcing pushes of cooler air for Tuesday and Wednesday. Probably highs returning to the 60s again by that point in time. So some October weather on the way as we move forward in time. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.